Hello, my name is Raudhatul Amalia, last number 135 as an assistant.
Hello, my name is Putri Hartatik, last number 143 as a buyer.
Hello, my name is Lina Permata, class number 169 as manager.
Thank you.
Good morning, Miss Putri. Welcome to our company. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss Lina. I'm doing well, thank you. I would like to discuss liaising an agreement regarding the purchase of computer for my company. There are several aspects I like to discuss, including the type, specification, and pricing.
Certainly, Miss Putri, it's important for both of you agree on this aspect to find a mutually benefit solution. Firstly, do you have any specific reference regarding the brand or model the computer used to purchase?
I'm just in several brands. However, I want to ensure that computer meets our company work requirements. Do you have any recommendation or suggestion regarding the most suitable type?
Certainly, Miss Putri, we have several computer types that call your need. My assistant provide the detailed information on some of the types.
Excuse me, Ms. Putri, here are some top-notch brands that may suit your company's work requirements. First, the Latitude series, known for reliability and high business performance. Second, HP Elite series offers a combination of elegant design and reliable performance. Third, Lenovo ThinkPad series, renowned for durability and good ergonomics. Do you have any specific preferences or features you would like to prioritize?
I just need a computer with specification that can handle office tasks very fast and have a quick memory. I'm looking for a computer price between 7 million rupiah until 11 million rupiah. The one you offer is a bit overpriced, right?
I recommend the Latitude series due to its high business performance, ample storage, and reliable security features. The Latitude series has a robust design, long-lasting battery, and providing users with an efficient and dependable working experience. With advanced features like a high-quality display, this product is suitable for business and professional needs.
What about the price?
The price is 13 million rupiah.
You can negotiate the price, Miss Putri.
I would like to order large quantity. Would you sell 50 computer for 8 million rupiah?
I'm sorry, Ms. Putri, we have already offered you the rock bottom price for this order.
I think the discount is too high for a value quantity purchase. Cannot be lower, Miss Lina.
I apologize, Miss Putri, but for 8 million rupiah is very low price. How about 12 million rupiah, Miss Putri?
Should be too high, Miss Lina. What about 11 million rupiah?
If you order a larger quantity, we can match the price at 11 million rupiah. However, you will need to bear the shipping cost of 1 million rupiah. Do you agree?
Yes, I will add 10 more computer. What about the warranty for this computer?
The warranty is for 1 year. And if any issue we are ready to assist with all charging service.
What the estimate delivery time?
Delivery time, the estimated delivery is 1 week.
Alright.
I asked Miss Lia to process I asked Miss Lia to process your purchase, and you can proceed with the buy from here. Thank you for Thank you for choosing our company for your purchase. We hope you are satisfied with our product and service, establishing a long-term relationship.
Thank you. I'm very impressed with service you provide.
Excuse me, here is the total amount for your purchase. Please check it.
Okay, I will make the payment from bank transfer.
Thank you for your time, Putri.
Thank you. You're welcome.